A long time ago, the world had grown dark with unkindness and selfishness. People had forgotten how to care for each other or honor God. But one man was different, Noah. He was kind, generous, and faithful, always willing to help others.
Bless you, Noah. You're always so good to everyone.
Are you lost? Let's go find your parents.
Oh, thank you, Noah. I am so grateful you found my son.
While the world around him was filled with greed and cruelty, Noah lived in a way that pleased God. And one day, God spoke to him with an incredible plan.
Noah, the earth is full of violence, and it breaks my heart. I will send a great flood to cleanse it, but because of your faithfulness, I will save you, your family, and the animals. Build an ark, a large boat, and prepare for the journey ahead.
I'll do as you say, Lord. I trust your plan.
Look at Noah building a boat in the middle of dry land. What's next? Sailing on grass?
He says a flood is coming. Ridiculous.
God has warned me. There's still time for you to turn from your ways and join us.
No thanks. We'll take our chances.
It's just as God said. The animals are coming to us.
Yes, it's almost time. Let's get them settled.
For 40 days and 40 nights, rain fell, covering the earth. But inside the ark, Noah and his family cared for the animals and prayed, trusting in God's promise.
Father, will this ever end? Will we ever see land again?
God is with us, son. He has a plan. We must trust him.
Finally, the floodwaters began to recede. When the dove returned with an olive branch, Noah knew it was safe to leave the ark.
Father, look, the dove brought back a branch. The earth is renewing.
Thank you, Lord, for your mercy and faithfulness. We dedicate this new beginning to you.
This rainbow is my promise. Never again will I flood the earth. Be fruitful and multiply, and care for this world.